Practice tayo Tagalog, ha?
Okay.
Okay. Because Daddy wants you to know how to speak Tagalog, okay? Okay, so I will teach you how to say Tagalog now, okay? Okay? Okay.
Okay. I want to play the car in English from the car.
Okay, so what is this? Rice.
Twice
In Tagalog,
of white
is bigas.
because
Oh, say it, bigas. Oh, and
look at my Tita Sisi, look at my steering wheel with a car.
I said Tagalog. Tita Cecil,
Tita Sisi,
kailan
kayan
ka
ka
pupunta, louder, pupunta dito?
dito
Kasi
kasi
si
si
Liam
Liam
malaki
malaki
malaki